Tomorrow night, I want to hear all about it. Next on CBS. Closed captioning for Family Guy is brought to you in part by... No problem. It's kind of chilly out, so I brought you a jacket.
No, thanks. I'll be fine.
Please? Peter, Uriel and I both feel that you need to follow your therapist's advice and start dating. Ah, geez, Mort. I don't know if I'm ready. Come on, stud. We've got it all set up here to go out with our niece. Honey, come on out here and meet Peter Griffin. Peter, this is our niece. Jennifer loves you.
Nice to meet you.
All right, I'm getting up. Hi, Peter Griffin. So where do you want to go? We can go anywhere except the disco. They don't let me in there anymore.
Stop it.
Oh, God, you want to rescue her, don't you? I guess I wish they'd do stem cell research. It rubs solution on its skin, or else it gets the hose again.
Ha! All right, I'm going to lower you in.